Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off shorts on YouTube. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your YouTube. Now go to your account. Now click on Settings. Now press on General. Here you can see playback in feeds. Press on this. If you want to turn off shorts on YouTube, you just have to press on this off option. That's it. So this is how to turn off shorts on YouTube. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.